Why choose one-pot vegetarian dinners?
One-pot vegetarian meals are perfect for busy evenings. They combine wholesome ingredients in a single pan, making both cooking and cleanup quick and easy. These dishes can be balanced meals filled with vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and flavorful seasonings. One-pot recipes help retain nutrients and often use less oil, supporting a healthy lifestyle while saving you time in the kitchen.
Balanced nutrition in every pot.
A great one-pot vegetarian dinner includes plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, or tofu, and a variety of colorful vegetables. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, or barley add fiber and sustained energy. Herbs and spices enhance flavor without added salt or fat. By combining these elements, you get a meal that's satisfying, filling, and supports overall well-being.
Easy one-pot meal inspiration.
Try a tea, vegetable, and lentil stew, a hearty chili with beans and sweet potatoes, or a creamy coconut curry with chickpeas and spinach. Stir-fries with tofu and lots of veggies, simmered in a savory sauce, are another fast favorite. All these meals require just one pot or pan and can be customized with whatever produce and seasonings you have on hand.
Minimize cleanup. Maximize health.
Cooking everything together means less time washing dishes and more time to relax. One-pot recipes often use simple steps. Start by sautéing aromatics, add grains and proteins, then simmer with broth or sauce. These methods help preserve vitamins and minerals while extracting maximum flavor, making each meal both nutritious and delicious.
Tips for effortless weeknight success.
Prep vegetables in advance or use frozen options to save time. Look for recipes with overlapping ingredients to make shopping easier. Store leftovers in airtight containers for healthy lunches. Remember, well-seasoned one-pot dinners are endlessly adaptable. Swap ingredients and spices to keep meals exciting while sticking to a simple, nourishing routine.